No, I think I can hear you. I think it's okay. Okay, so uh, what I'm going to show you today is how to make Facebook like gates. I can also show you how to put your YouTube and your Twitter along these tabs here. Can you all see this okay? Is this all working okay? And you can all hear me. Cool. Um, okay, so the first thing I'll show you is how to put your YouTube, your Twitter, and a link to your website onto a Facebook page. So this page is just a random page that I made today. And what you want to do is go onto a website called involver.com. And I'll obviously put this video on so you'll be able to see it all again. And what happens is on Involver's got loads of these free apps. So all you have to do is go down to Twitter, click on free install, and it pretty much does it automatically to your page. So these bits are pretty simple, to be honest. Yep, I'll type it in. Where's chat? The name of the website is involver.com. Now then. Okay, there we go. So you just have to type in a couple of details. I'll just make these up. Hopefully it'll let me do this. Because I've already used these on my one, and it won't let you have two without paying, so I'm trying to do this all on a different account. Okay, I don't have Twitter accounts and things, but all you would do is click on Please Authenticate with Twitter, and it will come up as a tab on here, and then you can actually edit that. I'll have to show you on my account. This isn't going to work on this account. But what you would need to do is go through these, and there's a YouTube channel, and you just free install that. You can have these Flickr channels and other channels as well if you're interested in them. But the one that I use is just YouTube, Twitter, and this static HTML page. And you just do the same thing. You just click on free install and go through the process, and it will come onto your page here. I'll quickly log into my Facebook, and I'll show you how to edit them because I can't do that on there. Hey guys, I just come off the call with Networking Superstars, but I forgot to actually show on there how to create the page which links straight to your blog, so I thought I'd do that. So after you've been on involver.com and clicked on the free install option on the HTML page on there, it should come to a settings page like this. And what you want to do is just completely ignore everything apart from this bit here. And all you have to do is scroll down, click on redirect, and type in your blog name and save it. And that's as simple as that. And once you've done that, what will happen is when people click on it, they can actually be redirected to your blog. So I'll just give you an example of what this would look like. Down here on my tabs, I've actually got this one here, which is the free install of the involver.com HTML page. And all I did to get this image here was click on Edit Settings, Custom Tab Image, click on Change, and I can actually choose what image I want on there. So I'd browse images and choose the image that I want on there. And what this actually does is for someone who wasn't an administrator like me, came onto my page and clicked on that, it would redirect them to my site. And it would actually appear, there we go, see, just like that. So someone might not actually who hasn't liked my page could still have access to my blog and still find a way of getting through to my blog. It's just a handy little thing to have on there as well. It's just a way of getting more traffic off Facebook, I suppose. So I thought I'd add that in there. I continue with the rest of the tutorial. So if you look down on my page here, just wait for this to load up. Scroll down, you see where I've got these 3-hour revision. Which ones are they? The follow me on Twitter. These logos I actually made, and you can edit these by just clicking the you click the scroll down button, you click the edit pencil, and you can just click edit settings, and it takes you to this. And if you want to change the image, you just click there, and you can change the image by just clicking that change button. And you can also change the name, just type in the name that you want there, and it will change on your down here on the bottom. So they're pretty easy to set up. They really don't take long at all. Mostly just to get interaction, because sometimes people will come onto your Facebook page, but they won't actually bother going off to watch your videos on YouTube or go on Twitter and things because they want to stay on Facebook. So if you look on my YouTube app, it doesn't actually take them to YouTube, but they can still watch all my videos. And the same thing on my Twitter app. They can look at my what I'm doing on Twitter without actually going on Twitter, and they can follow me and subscribe me just from Facebook. And there's also I'll show you the LikeGate now I'll show you how to do the LikeGate now because that's a different app. And what you want to do for the LikeGate is type in HTML for pages, and I used this one here, the top one with the star and the grey box. I'll write that in the chat as well. Okay. And what this one does is it allows you to create a page where people have to like it to get access to something. So if you look at my one here, it says, wants to know how to make more money online at university, how you can get 3 hours worth of revision into 1 hour, and want to know all the latest revision tips. So it's, something people will want, that your target market will want. And what happens is when they like it, your fans will actually see a different page. So my fans get linked to this page. And another cool thing about this is once they get to this fan page, you can link them to capture pages on a different website, but they'll appear on Facebook. So as you can see, I've got a capture page there that appears on Facebook, which is quite cool. And the video works for that as well, which is awesome. I didn't even know that worked until today, to be honest. But what happens is when you install the app onto your page by just going in and clicking this button here, and it will automatically go through, and you just follow the steps and it will install, and you'll get to a page like this. And what you want to do is actually go onto your blog, go onto add a new post at the top here, and you want to insert the picture onto the post which you want to appear in the LikeGate. So the original picture that I showed you, I'll go back. The original picture here, where I had this is the picture that you want to link, that you want to put onto your blog. I built it in paint.net. I can link that as well. It's basically a free version of Photoshop. It's not as easy to use, but it doesn't cost money, so I'll link that. Yeah. I'll just do this. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it. Yep. 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 It will allow you to do one, and then you have to get different apps to do more, because what they'll do is each of the companies which release these apps will let you do one for free and then try and charge you. But you can just install different apps, so you can get it all for free. I don't know, some of them are really expensive though. I've seen some people trying to charge like a few £100 per app sort of every month, so they can be really expensive. But you can do it for free. I can show you how to do it. I'll show you how to do this one like page, but there are other programs on Facebook you can use to do more and more like gates. So once you've got your image that you're going to use on your LikeGate, you want to scroll down and click on the alignment and click none, because we don't want an alignment on this. I just click use this image and it will appear here. Don't know why it's flashing, but there is an image here, and you want to change the link on it to your blog link. So I'll just type mine in. And the reason you do this is because it's just another link back to your site then. Because people could come on here and they might not like straight away, but this here actually opens up my blog. So when they click on anywhere on this image, it goes to my blog, and they can actually see my blog then in Facebook, and then they might like it again. Like that might get them to like it once they start looking at that, and they can read the content as well on Facebook, so that's quite cool. Right. So once you've linked that to your blog and clicked update, if you go onto the HTML and you just want to copy that code there, and then go back onto the Facebook page, go back to the app, which should look something like this when it loads. It should look like this. And then all you have to do is in the public content section, you paste that HTML code in there. And then scroll down, and there's this optional fans only content, which is obviously if you wanted a capture page. What you can do for a capture page is put a link in there, and then the capture page would appear. But it's hard to you can't actually put a capture page, or I don't know how to actually put a capture page straight in here, because if you look at mine, it's actually a link that goes to the capture page on and the capture page is hosted on a different site. So the capture page is actually this capture page here on economicfreedomtribe.com, and all I do is copy this link and put it onto the page which I'm showing. So if I show you my fan page, all I've done is embedded a YouTube video and put a link which the YouTube video tells them to click, and then when they click that link, that's when they get sent to the capture page, and that's just a normal link that leads to that. So this HTML code here for the fans only content is what people are going to see after they like. So you could just have an image or something that links to another page that is either a capture page, but give them what you promised them. Like if you say you're going to give something for that like, then when they've liked it, make sure you give them what you promised them. Like don't just give them straight to a capture page after they've liked it. Give them something valuable that they wanted. And that's pretty much it really for the pages. They're not very hard to create really. Yeah, I'll do another video if this wasn't clear enough. But was there a specific bit that I lost you at? The HTML code doesn't have to be very complicated. You can just No, you don't have to keep it. It's just an easy way of getting the HTML code. So if you know how to do that anyway, then you don't need to do this. But if you're not very good with HTML code, it's a good way of getting it. It's just to post an image and then link it by clicking this button here. And then you can copy and paste that. And you would copy and paste that into the public content here. The private content's it's a bit harder to do, but it could just be something as simple as an image with a link. So you could do the same thing. If you created a new post and put an image in and then linked it to your capture page and made the image a call to action for that capture page, then that would work too. So all they'd have to do is click the image and it would go through to the capture page. I've done that before where I've taken a print screen of a video and just done an image around it which said click anywhere on the screen to watch the video, and that led to the capture page. So that could be an easy way to do that. But you said about having more than one capture page, and you could do that with the same thing. You could, because there's all these apps here for static HTML. So I could install that app and then have another LikeGate for free, and that's actually the Involver one. But there are, if I just type in static HTML, there's more than one here. So there's this Woobox one that I could have as well, and then that would give me more and more LikeGates, as many as I wanted. Does that all make sense to people? Okay. Well, yeah, I'll put it up, and then yeah, ask me any questions, and I'll see if I can answer them. Another cool thing though is if you do any Facebook advertising or any pay-per-click advertising, and you want to get more likes, is you can link straight to this page. So I've been getting quite a lot of likes recently. I think I put £10 on the other day, and I've got something like almost 40 likes from £10. And that was on Facebook pay-per-click. But I'm trying. There's other ways of doing pay-per-click cheaper than that. So, hey guys, thanks for watching that. I really hope you got something from that training. If you have any questions, then just leave them in the comments below, and I'm sure I can answer them. Awesome. Have fun creating your Facebook pages. I'm sure I'll be liking them soon. See you soon, guys.